Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you forgot to add tracking, you can still fix it. Even after marking shipped, you can update the tracking on Etsy. It's totally doable, especially in this new version in 2026. How to do so? It's Shop Manager included again. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to add a tracking number to an Etsy order in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First and first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, go and look for Etsy.com. Or just go ahead and open the app if you already own it on Android or maybe iOS. Just make sure you are running the latest version. Now I'm just gonna tap on Etsy.com, open this new page, then go through my account, log in using my email address and password to access this dashboard and Shop Manager. Tap on Shop Manager, go to Orders and Shipping Settings. Now open the completed order. Click Add Tracking or Edit Tracking. You should then enter the correct tracking number. Select the company, then save changes. As for an important note, do this as soon as possible. Then buyers will receive an updated notification telling them that their actual product is on their way. You can also send them a message to tell them that the basically old update was kind of a mistake and you just updated the true actual tracking number and that their product is actually on the way. So you can always reassure them. They gonna trust you after these words. Just make sure you are being nice to your own customers. And that's it. Thank you all for watching and I will see you all in the next video.